Summer is the perfect time to tackle all those cleaning tasks you've been putting off. From decluttering to deep cleaning, the Summer Cleaning Challenge is a great way to get your entire home in order. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more great content. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. In this video, we'll provide you with tips and tricks for tackling every room in your home. This program is brought to you by CleanerOnCall.com. Tip number 1. Start with a plan. Before you begin cleaning, it's important to have a plan. Make a list of all the tasks you want to accomplish in each room and create a timeline for completing them. Having a plan will help you stay on track and make the most of your time. Tip number 2. Declutter first. Decluttering is an important part of any cleaning challenge. Start by going through each room and getting rid of any items you no longer need or use. Donate or sell items that are in good condition, and throw away anything that is broken or unusable. Tip number 3. Deep clean your kitchen. Your kitchen is one of the busiest rooms in your home, and it's important to give it a deep clean. Start by cleaning your appliances, wiping down your cabinets and countertops, and scrubbing your floors. Don't forget to organize your pantry and fridge as well. Tip number 4. Clean your bathroom from top to bottom. Your bathroom can easily become dirty and cluttered, so it's important to give it a thorough cleaning. Start by cleaning your shower and bathtub, scrubbing your toilet, and wiping down your sink and countertops. Don't forget to clean your mirrors and organize your cabinets. Tip number 5. Refresh your bedroom. Your bedroom is your sanctuary, so it's important to keep it clean and organized. Start by washing your bedding, dusting your furniture, and vacuuming your floors. Declutter your closet and drawers, and organize your accessories and shoes. Tip number 6. Clean your living room and dining room. Your living room and dining room are where you spend time with family and friends, so it's important to keep them clean and welcoming. Start by dusting your furniture, vacuuming your floors, and cleaning your windows. Declutter your shelves and coffee tables, and organize your books and magazines. Tip number 7. Don't forget about your outdoor spaces. Your outdoor spaces are just as important as your indoor spaces. Clean your patio or deck, wash your outdoor furniture, and sweep your sidewalks and driveway. Don't forget to clean your grill and prepare it for summer entertaining. Tip number 8. Involve your family. Cleaning can be a family activity, so get everyone involved. Assign tasks to each family member and make it a fun and rewarding experience. Play music, have snacks, and celebrate your accomplishments together. Tip number 9. Taking breaks. Cleaning can be exhausting, so it's important to take breaks. Take a walk outside, have a snack, or simply sit down and relax. Taking breaks will help you stay focused and motivated. Tip number 10. Celebrate your accomplishments. At the end of the Summer Cleaning Challenge, celebrate your accomplishments. Take before and after photos, reward yourself with a treat or a day off, and enjoy your clean and organized home. The Summer Cleaning Challenge is a great way to get your entire home in order. By starting with a plan, decluttering, and tackling each room one at a time, you can achieve a clean and organized home in no time. Don't forget to involve your family, take breaks, and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. With these tips and tricks, you can make the most of your Summer Cleaning Challenge and enjoy a fresh start. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think of this video.